Hey friends, this is Latif for Purewell and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. And for the people who are not following my Bitcoin videos, I would like to give you some recap first, and after that, I will definitely take you to the live chart for the live analysis. And I'm actually following some different harmonic moves on the daily chart with the combination of different patterns. So first, I caught that the Bitcoin was forming a bad pattern, and this was the move that I posted on the Tradingview. And this was a chart that I posted on 15th of June when the price action completed the formation of the bullish bad pattern after the completion of the previous bad pattern, and it was just entered in this potential reversal zone. As per Fibonacci sequence, I just predicted that the price action will be reversed from here, and the price action reversed from this potential reversal zone. Now after that, when the price action reversed from this potential reversal zone, it formed another harmonic move, and that was the bullish shark pattern. And this was a pattern that the price line was forming at that time, and that was the date of 26th of June when the price action was just completing this final leg of this bullish shark. And as per Fibonacci sequence of bullish shark pattern, I just again predicted that the price action will be reversed from here because this is the bullish reversal pattern. And now I'm playing this chart, and you can see that the price action completed this final leg of this bullish shark that ends at 0.886 up to 1.13 Fibonacci retracement level and reversed from here. Now recently in my previous video, I told you that the price action is completing the final leg of the bullish cipher pattern. And this was a chart that I also posted here on the Tradingview as well. And let me just show you that chart that is on the first page. Yes, this was a chart that I posted on 12th of July, and I also shared a video on this chart with you guys. And at that time, the price line was completing this final leg of bullish cipher pattern. This was an initial leg, then it was retraced between 0.382 to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, then projected between 1.272 up to 1.414 Fibonacci projection of X to A leg, and then it is retraced between 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement of X to C leg. Now I'm just playing this chart, and the price action finally entered in this potential reversal zone, and it is reversed from this potential reversal zone here. Now if we move to the live chart, then as in my previous video, we have already seen that the price action is moving in this wedge pattern, and now after hitting at this support, the price action is likely to move up. But before this resistance level that is at $10,000, we have another resistance level that is $9,500. If we move to this support and resistance level chart, this is a live chart in the same daily chart. The price action is having another resistance before this 10K resistance level that is $9,500. First, the price action will need to break out this resistance, then it will be able to hit this next very strong resistance level of $10,000. As we can see that even after several attempts, the price action is not able to break out this resistance so far. If the price action will be moved down from here without touching the $10,000 resistance level, then the pattern can be changed from the wedge to the pennant like this. But I'm expecting that first we need to wait for the next spike up to $10,000, or we should wait from what level the price action will be moved down. And if the price action will be not able to cross up this level, then we can also retest, the price action can also retest the previous support at $8,800. And this is a chart with the simple moving averages with the time period of 25, 50, 100, and 200. And I was expecting that soon the 25 simple moving average will cross up this 50 simple moving average, and we will receive a bull cross between these two moving averages, and that bull cross will take the price action more up. At this time, we can expect that the 25 simple moving average can move up as the price action is trying to break out the 50 simple moving average. Once the price action will be able to break out this 50 simple moving average, then definitely the 25 simple moving average will also follow the price action, and it can also form a bull cross with the 50 simple moving average. And for the people who don't know about this move, whenever the price line, whenever the simple moving average or any moving average with a smaller time period crosses up the bigger time period moving average, that is called a bull cross, and you can also call it a golden cross, and that produces a bullish rally. And sometimes it can also produce a powerful bullish rally if it is formed on the daily chart. And this is a very significant move that the price action has formed on the weekly chart. This is the Ichimoku cloud, and you can see that at this time the Ichimoku cloud is turned bullish. It is in green color, so it is turned bullish, and the price action was retesting after breaking out this cloud on this long-term weekly chart. The price action was retesting the previous resistance of the cloud as a support, and now you can see that it is moving sideways, and we have the third bullish candlestick with the Fibonacci candlestick pattern. For example, if I'll switch it to the normal candlesticks, then we are also having a small bullish candlestick after a bearish candlestick. So it can be another indication that the price action is turning bullish. For example, if we watch the different indicators with this Ichimoku cloud, then we have this MACD indicator that is turned weak bullish from strong bullish, so it is turning bearish. But if we want the stochastic indicator, then this blue line is crossing up this red line. That is a bullish signal. Once this blue line will cross up this red line, so we can expect that this bullish signal will be also reflected up to this MACD indicator as well, and it will be turned again strong bullish, because this is the bullish line, this blue line, and this red line is the bearish line. Whenever this in the stochastic indicator, whenever this blue line crosses up the red line, so it is a bullish signal. For example, we received a bull cross here, the blue line moves up, and we can see that the price action also moved up. And if we see this squeeze momentum indicator, that is basically a momentum indicator, then it is still strong bullish, and it is ignoring the signals of the MACD. The MACD is turning bearish. It was strong bullish, now it is weak bullish, but you can see that the momentum is still bullish. So we can expect that soon the MACD will be again turned bullish, and once we will have all these indicators bullish at once, then the price action can turn again bullish, because already the price action is moving above this cloud. For example, let me just show you another move. This is the conversion line, the Ichimoku cloud's conversion line, and this is the baseline. This is the bullish line, and this is the bearish line, like we have already seen in the stochastic indicator. This blue one is the bullish line, and this red one is the bearish line. So in the Ichimoku cloud, this conversion line, the blue line, is the bullish line, and this baseline, that is brown or red, whatever you can say, is a bearish line. And whenever this conversion line, this bullish line, crosses up this bearish line, that is a bullish signal. But whenever this bull cross formed below this price line, for example, here we can see that this bull cross is formed below this price line, that is very strong bullish signal. At this time, we are having this bull cross just beneath this price action. For example, let me to give you some examples from the past. This is back in May 2019 when this conversion line crossed up this baseline and formed the bull cross just below the price action, and the price action produced more than 300% rally. And at that time, back in June 2019, the price action touched more than $13,000 levels, and it also crossed up this bearish cloud as well. And if we watch back in here, back in 2016, when this conversion line crossed up this bearish line, this baseline, then the price action produced more than 3,000% rally, and at that time it almost touched up to $20,000 back in 2017. So we also received such bull cross just below the price action. The price action turned really very strong bullish and touched almost $10,000 level, $10,429 as per Bitstamp exchange. and it was moving sideways, and now it is likely to be gear up, because at this time we can see that the cloud is again turned bullish, so it is giving a bullish signal. Now I'm waiting for this bull cross by the stochastic indicator and to MACD turn again strong bullish. Now I would like to draw your attention toward this chart that I'm sharing with you in almost every video with you guys, and that is this very big symmetrical triangle that the price action has formed on this weekly chart. And this is the multi-years based symmetrical triangle, very big. And here we have a strong rejection line. Once the price action was rejected here back in 2017, and it was also again rejected here back in July 2019, and here it is again rejected. And after being this rejection, the price action is now again moving up. At this time the price line is moving with the resistance and having the strong supports of 50, 25, 100 and 200 simple moving averages, and I'm expecting this bull cross between the 25 and 50 simple moving average. And after that we will have the smallest time period moving average above all, then we will have the bigger one, then bigger one, and the biggest time period moving average, that is 200 simple moving average, will be below all the other simple moving averages. Then a complete opened alligator mouth by the simple moving averages will be formed like it was formed here back in 2016 to 2017, and the price action turned bullish and produced more than a 3,000% bullish rally back in 2016 to 2017. At this time the price line is at the end of this symmetrical triangle. This is definitely a decision making time for the price line to break down the support or break out. We have several support levels that can stop the price line to reach up to this level. For example, we have 50, 25, 100 and 200 simple moving average is the most strongest support ever in the history of the Bitcoin, as since it has appeared in the history of the Bitcoin, it is never ever broken down. Even in the month of March, when we had the waterfall crash by all the markets and the Bitcoin was also moving down, the price action hit at this level of 200 simple moving average and moved up at the resistance of this symmetrical triangle. Therefore, we cannot expect that the price action will break down the support. Yes, we can expect that it will break out this resistance very soon. But this is a weekly chart. Maybe the price action will move more sideways, and after that the price action will break out this level. I'm expecting if the price action will be able to break out the 10K resistance level, then it will also break out the this resistance of the symmetrical triangle on the weekly chart. Because if the price action will break out the 10K resistance level on the daily chart, like we have seen here, then the price action will also need to close above this this resistance level of this symmetrical triangle on the weekly chart as well. If the price action will be closed above this weekly chart, above the 10K resistance level and above this resistance level of this symmetrical triangle, then we can expect another very strong bullish move, because after that the price action will be free to move up from this cage. Now at the end of this video, I would like to show you this pattern that I posted and shared with you guys on April 6th, when the price action completed this final leg of bullish garlic pattern on the monthly chart. And as per Fibonacci sequence of this garlic pattern, I predicted that the price action will move up from 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci level of A to D leg. And this is the Fibonacci projection of this leg. Now I'm playing this chart, and you can see that the price action so far has produced more than 50% bullish rally, but I'm expecting more. For example, at this time, every candlestick is closing above the shoulder of the next candlestick. At this time, this candlestick is really very small, but we have 10 days or 9 or 10 days left in the ending of this month. If the price action will start the bullish rally before the ending of this month, then we can have the closing above this this candlestick, the previous candlestick that was the month of June 2020. And if we will have this sequence of the candlestick, the continuity in this sequence of the candlestick, the bullish candlesticks, then soon we can also expect that it can also cross up this level that is 0.786 Fibonacci projection level. And as in my previous several videos, I have been telling you that whenever the price action forms any harmonic moves and it crosses up this level 0.786 Fibonacci projection, then it can turn more strong bullish, as the ADA is doing at this time. You can watch my video of the ADA where I predicted that it will break out from this potential reversal zone and it will move up to this level. The ADA also formed, that was a bullish butterfly pattern, and at this time that is trying to break out this level. Same as like that I am expecting by the Bitcoin as well. Soon it will also try to break out this level when it will be turned strong bullish on the monthly chart, because it's a monthly candlestick. One candlestick is representing 1 month, so this is a very long-term chart and it will need some patience. So this was the update so far by the price action of Bitcoin. If I'll have more updates, I'll definitely share with you. Take care. Goodbye.